Okay, we start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe an occasion when you got positive feedback for work that you did. So you got and you did, that means it's all past tense. Now you're going to narrate an incident in the past where you got some positive feedback and all that. Please start.
Okay. It was the wedding occasion of my cousin. At that time, my sister came from Canada to attend that wedding. But that was all of the sudden plan, so she couldn't make to facilitate her dresses on the time. So I just helped her in that way that I gave her my brand new dress, formal dress to her. So she took this and wear it and attend the ceremony. And attended the ceremony. After that, she came back and she was so happy and she was very thankful to me. So that was the feeling that I really felt a different thing and relaxed, and I was very happy at that time that because she was not only we were not only in a blood relation, but we are just like best friends. So but at the end, although she gave me back my dress, but before going back to her country, she bought me 2 new dresses as a compliment.
Okay, thank you so much. Now just try to express the part where she gave you the feedback. For example, you say she was very happy, she was quite thankful to me, and she was excited about this offer, and as a result, when she went back, before going back, she bought me 2 dresses. So focus the part of feedback and appreciation, like the way she appreciated you. Okay, now let's move on to speaking part 3. Why do you think it is important to give feedback on positive actions?
I feel that if we give positive feedback to the good deeds, then that thing appreciate others to do more to do more good deeds for others. And it is, as a human, it is a very relaxing and a very appreciable thing for us.
Just try to overcome this and practice all these topics so that you become fluent in them, right? Thank you.
Yeah.